Hi, welcome to India Food Network. I'm Kamini and I'm your chef for the day. Click on the bell icon to get notifications for our new videos. Today I'm going to make chocolate mendiants. So first we start by placing a pot of water on heat. So now my water has come to a boil. I'm going to place my chocolate on top and I'm just going to gently wait for the chocolate to melt down. So now my chocolate has melted nicely and now, okay, so now I have my baking tray lined with baking paper so that the chocolate is easy to remove. Taking a spoon of chocolate and making it into a disc, or a small round bite-sized disc. You do have to work a little fast so that your chocolate doesn't set before you add your toppings, okay? So I'm going to take some nuts, press a few pistachios, almonds, cashews, some dry fruits, and the seeds, which can just go on top. And last but not least, some sea salt. And you just continue on. And now your chocolate mendiants are ready. You just have to refrigerate for 30 minutes and that's it. Your chocolate mendiants are ready. You just have to pop them off the tray. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do try it out and leave your feedback in the comments section. Like and share this video, subscribe to India Food Network, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.